Dimension styles. A dimension style is an AutoCAD's method of creating dimensions with all the different variables and configurations that a dimension can have. And we usually will create dimension styles for the appropriate drafting standards. For example, in mechanical drafting, we might use a style that's unidirectional, and it places a text style of, let's say, Roman S, which is a single stroke Gothic lettering, or perhaps an Arial. We might put the text in the center of the dimension line, break the dimension line, and we might terminate our dimension lines with arrowheads. An architectural dimension style might use an align dimension format, and it might use a text style such as sans serif or styles BT or country blueprint or city blueprint. It will place the text above the dimension line, and it'll terminate our dimension lines with architectural tick lines. Now, I like to work in the annotate. In our annotate, we have a dimensions panel. And in here, we might get away with one style. And here's our dimension style for maybe everything in our drawing. But sometimes drawings require more than one dimension style. And so we can create those dimension styles as needed. And we should add these dimension styles into our drawing templates so that we can repeatedly use them. And so we want to create dimension styles for each type of an appearance. Okay, if anytime the appearance changes, we want to create a dimension style. And so I like to work in the annotate, and we're going to use this whole dimensions panel to create our dimensions, and we're going to use this down pointing arrow to create our dimension styles. So a dimension style is a collection of dimension settings that can control the look and feel of our dimensions. And we will typically have a style for mechanical, typically have a style for architectural.